You're so sweet. Thank you. This might be one of the most meaningful pieces of art I've ever received. And it came from a complete stranger. I wasn't afraid of painting this. Turns out, I'm afraid of people. I know this sounds so silly, but oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Every time I try to give a painting away, I get nervous. I don't know. I just freak out. But then this sweet little girl came by. That's how I met her. I knew that this would find a perfect home. She was so quiet, a little shy, just an absolute sweetheart. And if I'm being completely honest, she felt safe. I wasn't brave enough yet. So I chose the safe person. The reason why I'm handing out my art, paying it forward, is I'm a cancer survivor. And years ago, people, complete strangers, showed up for me. Some sat with me and just chatted during chemo. Some drove me to my appointments. That took all day. These are complete strangers. I've never forgotten that. Oh, look at how cute she is. How fun is this? The little grass skirt and the little dance and the flower in the hair. She's so cute. She turned out so happy, so fun. I can hardly wait to give her away. I love seeing that you're so young and you're an artist, and I painted something for you. What do you think?
I like it. Thank you.
Do you like it? Isn't she cute? Do you like the little grass skirt? Yeah? And the little flower in her heart, in her hair? She looks like she's having fun, doesn't she? Yay. Well, that's really special, and I painted it just for you.
That's beautiful.
You're welcome. Aww. I finally got the courage to give one away. And once I gave away the first one, the other ones got a little easier. Not easy, just easier. But that's not the part I can't stop thinking about. At the end of the show, that cute little girl, she came back. Did you make that for me? Oh,
I'm a little bit, honey. There.
oh my God, I love it. That's so beautiful. Oh, and I love the heart. And the,
She's got her eye
you said
on
that
you,
was
too.
is that a Pokemon ball? Yeah. And what is this one?
It's Pikachu.
Oh, it's Pikachu. I love that. And you signed it. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Thank you. She spent part of her day making something for me. Years ago, strangers showed up for me when I needed it most. This little girl has no idea she's doing the same thing. I started this project because strangers showed up for me when I needed them the most. I wanted to be kind. I wanted to pay it forward. What about you? What's one small way you could make somebody's day today? A Pikachu, a Pokemon ball, and a little heart. I thought this week was about giving away 5 paintings. Turns out it was about finding the courage to give away the first one. I wanted to make a stranger smile. Turns out, she made me smile too. Send your prayers up and your roots down deep. Love you, bye.